All right, we're going to take a ride in a little something different than California Cars doesn't usually carry, but I thought it was cool, and my customers always like unique vehicles and toys, so this is a toy. It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz 2500 Sprinter van converted to a camper. So it's like an adventure edition. So you can put bikes in there, surfboards. The previous owner was a surfer, so it's got these side surfboard racks. It's got bike racks on the walls. You could put anything in here. You could put a gas-powered dirt bike if you wanted to. But this is built by ADF Sprinters, which is right next door to me there, here in Simi Valley. And the good part about this one is probably about half price what it costs to build. This was built 6 years ago or so. It's got 57,000 original miles on it, so not too many, especially for a diesel. These things will run and run and run. And it's got a little lift kit. They call it an Agile rib kit. So it handles really good. Even though it's lifted, it doesn't sway. Some vehicles with lift kits wander and they kind of feel funny and they feel like scary, but not this one. This is really smooth. It's got so many options. I'll probably miss most of them, but it's got a pull-out sleeper. Also, it has the removable pads for another sleeper, queen size. It has an indoor-outdoor shower, microwave, stove, propane-powered stove. It's got wet-dry cabinets. This guy was a surfer, so he really set it up to be able to take, wetsuits and stuff like that, lay them on the floor. It's got a covered floor, so it won't mess anything, no carpet or anything like that, no hardwood. It's a little bit more durable. It's got a backup camera, as you can see there. It actually tells you what's going on behind you all the time. Makes it nice. It's got 360-degree LED lighting. It's got solar. And these front compartments are very nice. I mean, it's got cup holders everywhere, storage compartments. It has this cooler that's between the seats that actually keeps your drinks cool all the time. It's always running. But the solar operates that, so you never have a battery issue or anything. But we're going to go up here and I'll open it up so you can see some more pictures of it. See what you think. All right, here's a little walk around on our 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 conversion van. So it's a cool little camper. It's got an awning that spreads out. It's got 360-degree lighting. This is actually a wrap. It's a stone gray wrap. The van is originally black. So if you want black, take the wrap off. It might be a little cooler with this color though. It's got a lift kit like I mentioned earlier. It's called an Agile lift, so it doesn't make the vehicle feel funny or top heavy. It's got these custom wheels on there. Method wheels, 17-inch. BFG Goodrich TA radials. So it's a two-wheel drive, but you can go up a trail or whatever with it, Got a little bit of clearance. It seems giant, but this is the smaller one. This is a 144-inch. I think they make a 170. But it's got racks everywhere. I mean, it's got a bike rack. It's got bike racks inside. It's got a roof rack. These are fold-out surfboard racks. Like I said earlier, it's got a stove in there. Cooktop, sink. Storage tanks. Gray water and fresh water. It's also got a little hitch in the front here. This is kind of cool. You can launch a boat this way, go down the ramp, and you can drive down the ramp. You can see what you're doing. I used to have one of those on a 4x4 truck. It was pretty cool. But like I said, LED lighting, got an LED light bar up there. Go ahead and open it up for you. And like a Mercedes, pretty luxurious, It's got leather interior. That folds out to a bed. Then you've got a bed back there. It's got storage on both sides. These are wet and dry storage units here. So you can put your wetsuit in there or whatever like that. Doesn't mess anything up. It's got an indoor-outdoor shower. Here's your microwave. A little flat screen TV up there. Air conditioning. Works great. Nice stereo system. Navigation. Backup camera. Here's your refrigerator. It's got a little wear and tear on it. They used it. They threw surfboards and bikes in here and skis. You go skiing. So, you know what? Can't blame them for using it. Got a little bit of wear, but you know what? Half the price. This thing was over $250,000 a build. We're asking $129,000. There's your amp inverter, your solar inverter. But LED lighting, temperature controlled fans up here. I'm going to suck the hot air out if you're out surfing. Plus lots of seating surfaces. Show you the inside up here. Kind of tall, but not too bad. You got handles everywhere to grab onto to get in. There's that refrigerator I was talking about earlier. Put your drinks in there so you don't have to ask somebody to bring you a drink. Good to go. But automatic transmission, you know, the diesel motors are phenomenal. You know, they use, yeah, you ever have Amazon delivered to you? Well, that's what they use because they know they'll start up and run and pretty durable. And of course, it's got air conditioning up front, power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes, anti-lock, all the stuff a Mercedes should have. Ready for an adventure. All right, here's the power plant in the 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. Little 6-cylinder diesel. These things probably use them in taxi cabs in Germany. Really durable, plenty of power, not a giant engine to take care of. Looks like there's room in there to get to it, which is nice. Like I said, 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yeah, there's that original black paint in the door jamb there. And no accidents or anything like that. It's been taken good care of and serviced. There's a diesel for you. You can hear them. Bag of marbles. Not as bad as they used to be though. They don't sound bad at all. Of course, it's got exhaust going all the way out the back. There's another little receiver there too, little hitch. You could probably put a barbecue out here. Little table. It's got tables to go inside too. I got a whole bunch of stuff that comes with this. I don't even know what half it is, but it comes with it. Anyhow, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Be happy to show you the vehicle. If you have more questions, ADF Sprinters, the builder, is right next door to me, so they're really kind people over there. And if you want to do some upgrades to this one, you know, get your checkbook out. They'll do anything for you. All right. Thanks for watching.